Lena, Mommy wants you to put the snowmans back where they belong.
No, we do.
Can you put them back where they belong? Look at me. Look at me.
A boy's in there.
So proud of you. Wow. It's the highest honor the real estate community can bestow. I am so proud of you. Wow.
Why am I to be quiet?
Good.
We'll be there. Just tell us where and when. 5 o'clock. I was hoping we could have him here.
Can you put the snowmans back where they belong?
This isn't really a good house for
Alina,
yeah, it's so big and close to the ocean.
Mommy wants you to put the snowmans back where they belong.
Come on, boys. I can't very well throw a party.
Can you put them back where they belong?
This way everyone will get to see how much
That's
my son's
big.
loved and respected.
Huh? Hey,
Here is the guest list.
listen.
Also a suggested menu. Nothing fancy. Cocktails, buffet. Any questions?
Oh, now it's cheese. Bye.
Bye. Cheese. I said cheese.
Oh, you said cheese?
Yeah, cheese.
Okay, give me a big smile. Show those teeth.
Excuse me.
All right. Instead, you give me funny face.
Right, Charlie?
Okay.
There's a pelican on the deck.
Say love you, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Love you, Grandpa.
How are you?
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye, Grandpa.